Hi, Jonathan Pickup. I'm writing a manual at the moment on the kitchen cabinet tool. So here's my kitchen here. I've got a kitchen here and I've got a corner unit. So I'm up to the part of my manual where I'm writing about the corner units. And I wanted to show you that there are three basic ways of creating the corner cabinet. The first is this one here. If we look at the cabinet settings, then we can use a double hinge corner. Now the issue I've got with this is that this length here is the same as that length there. So in other words, there's no unequal length for those two. This is the other option, which is the corner, diagonal corner. There it is there. And again, we've got the situation where both sides are equal, so there's no unequal angles there. Now if you want to create a cabinet like this where this side is different from this side, then the trick is you put two cabinets in. The first cabinet is this one here, but this unit is what's known as a blind left or blind right corner. And you can see it's actually got a blind part here, and then we've got the doors in this part. So my suggestion is that if you need a diagonal, then use the diagonal corner. If you want the two doors to be both the same size, in other words it has no unequal angles, then use the double hinge corner. But if you want cabinets where there's a different size left and right, then use this one. One is a blind left and the other one is a straight standard cabinet box. And those are my suggestions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my manual when it's finished. It's going to be on my LinkedIn bio in a couple of weeks, and it's also going to be available on my website, and if you're a member of my YouTube channel, then you'll find it there as well.